Yep, turns out this is the right way. I'm just a little puzzled why it was closed. I guess maybe because hunting season's over. I don't know. But we're taking it, and hopefully it'll take us where we need to go. And I don't know. I doubt we'll encounter anyone up here, but you never know. Hope not. Placed ourselves with no bears. It's kind of something that really irks me, and I've recorded about it, but I don't remember if it made it on a blog or not. But just the fact that all these gates are so closed. It's not like it really makes a big difference. The only people that are going to want to go back here are the people who are wanting to go back here. And I mean, it's a public land, so as long as they're not, as long as nobody's back here destroying the land. But if they're trying to keep people poaching, poachers aren't going to care. They're going to go right around that gate, where they're going to still. Poachers going to poach, so it doesn't make any logical sense. Security theater. So there's a good view of Brasstown in the back. So yeah, I don't get why they do that. But thankfully on a motorcycle, you can get around most of them. And that's illegal according to the person who locked the gate. So they locked the gate of land that you're supposed to have access to because it's public land, and then they're also responsible for enforcing what they just locked. So I understand locking up public buildings and places like that, but it's just a road, man. It's inhibiting our right to freely travel. So most of these roads are pathways that the Indians took, and that and then turned into logging or wagon roads and stuff to get through the mountains. So they've been here for a long, long time, hundreds of years probably, in one form or another. we're going to see where this goes. I haven't been on this section, but I know it eventually winds up at Trey Mountain. So that's where we're hoping to head.